Start speed off.
Hey guys, I just did a video of the Papa XC carabiner test mode, and now I am going to do something with it. I can't remember now. I was going to do something with the Papa XC carabiner. Now I forgot.
I'm going as expert.
Oh, I was going to show you how the pro level works. Some people don't know how.
Master Pro. No, that's expert. Master Pro. No, that's expert. Master Pro.
Yeah.
No, Master Pro. No, the expert. Master. Pro. No, Pro. No, the expert. Master. No, this. Master Pro. No, Master Pro. No, this.
Come on.
What? No, blasting. Master. Pro. No, no, Master. Pro. No, Pro. No, Pro. No, Pro. No, the Pro. No, expert. Pro. No, this. Pro. Yellow.
Before I start the pro, I'm going to fail on purpose.
Go. Oh!
Okay. So now,
Up it to start.
there is no saving flash in the background.
Wow. Blasting.
Robert, can you bring me my Simon Flash?
Up it to start.
The little thing that has 4 cubes in the little case.
I'm going to sleep.
I'm doing a video, so I can't really.
Wants in there bad.
Huh?
Your brother wants in here bad.
Uh-oh. Hurry.
You drop it.
Now my brother's crying. Whatever. So now, how it works is, what you do when it says Papa Twister Pull It Go is, it won't make any sound when you do the commands, the first two, but when you do the last one, it will. And then, but you have to know if you completed it, because it will start a new beat. Like, watch.
Up it to start. Wow. Blasting. Pro. Yellow.
After it says go, listen, I'm gonna bop it.
Go.
See how it did 3 different beats there? Look,
Purple.
you'll hear.
Go. Twisted.
You might be able to hear that. I'm not sure.
Pulling. Go. Purple.
I'm not sure if you can hear
Flicking.
what I'm talking about here.
Go. Yellow. Pulling. Go. Black. Shaking. Orange. Go. Line.
What?
Score. 5.
I don't know how that happened.
Wow.
Come on, go to blasting. Okay.
5. Score. 5.
I always have that much trouble with the volume there.
Twisted.
I can never get it to work. I'm gonna do it really fast. I did it really fast here. I'm gonna see how fast I can do it.
Purple. Go.
If you do it too fast, it'll fail you.
Flicking. Go. Twisted.
And if you spin it too fast like that,
Go.
if you spin it too fast like this,
Yellow.
it won't
Go.
work. It'll say you failed.
Spinning.
Yes, we know.
Go.
Brother!
Score. 5.
Baby, I'm making a video! He's only 10 marks, he doesn't understand.
Go. Flicking. Go.
See, if I have any of those around, you know what I mean.
Bumping. Go. Flicking. Yellow.
Not the funnest time.
Purple. Go.
It's not exactly a picnic in the park.
Pulling. Go. Bumping. Go. Yellow.
Ooh, I did that one really fast.
Pulling.
I can do this one faster. Ooh!
Spinning. Flicking. Go. Yellow.
Oh, yeah.
Green.
That's fast.
Blue. Go. What?
What?
Score. 8. High score. 8.
can usually get the pro level to work pretty darn good.
Go.
I got 69 earlier. What?
High score. 8.
I got 69 a couple hours ago.
Twisting. Blue. Go.
So I was being really careful there.
Green.
Yeah, it's hard to beat.
Oh,
What? I spun the freaking thing.
high score. 8.
Stupid. Reset.
Bump it to start. Blasting. Bump it to X. Nat.
I can reset mine very easily.
Blue. Go. Orange. Purple. Go. Yellow. Go. Oh,
I'm not sure what it said there.
high score. 2.
I didn't hear the first sound, so I just spun it.
Yellow.
Apparently that was wrong.
Go.
Ooh, that was close.
Purple. Go.
The
Blue.
pro level is not easy, I can tell you that.
Go.
If you don't already know it.
Green. Go. Black. Holy. Go. Shake it. Flick it. Go. What? Score. 5.
Now I did the right thing.
5.
It said shake it, spin it, flick it. I did that. That was stupid. Ooh, I almost didn't get the pull up.
Go. Twist it. Go. Oh. Score. 2. High score. 5. Bump it to start. Blast
Maybe
it.
to mess with the score, like it always does. It always does something with the score.
Blue.
Look,
Go. Orange.
when I fail, I'll show you.
Purple. Go. Blue.
Mm.
Spinning. Green. Go. Bump it.
Pop it, Jacob. Okay, now.
Go. Flicking. Twisting. Go. Black. Shake it. Orange. Go. Blue. Flicking. Go. Shake it. Yellow.
There we go.
Orange.
Now we're getting there.
Go.
Now we're cooking with gas.
Shake
That's
it.
just an expression.
Go. Orange. Twisting. Flicking. Go. Oh!
What?
Score 9.
What?
Novice. Bump it. Pull it. Spin it. Bump it. Shake it. Twist it. Flick it. Bump it to start. Snap. Yellow. Blue.
Now it's super quiet.
Orange. Purple. Go. Blue. Spin it. Bump it. Go. Oh!
What?
Score 2. Blast. High score 2. Black. Yellow. Pulley. Go.
By the way, see all in here.
Purple.